This is a good example of an old man's beard, which is our native type of clematis. And if you look closely at the flowers, and especially the petals, you can sort of see they look just like clematis petals, but if you imagine that like that sort of size, with the stamens smaller, that's just like clematis really. And the leaves are just the same as garden clematis, and they sort of climb in very much the same way, and they're like a climbing plant. Here is a limestone area. They do seem to like kind of limestone, and they sort of grow up through trees. They will grow in other areas as well. They like quite a well-drained soil, like other clematis. And here, just going over a wall and down a sea cliff. And here it's got a really good example. You've also got the seeds as well. And this is why it's called the old man's beard, because it has these long, stringy seeds. And they get very, very stringy when they get fully developed. Let's see if there's any here. Yeah, they haven't got more than about that so far, but they get kind of really long tassely seeds when they're ready. Clematis have seeds which are really similar. Some types of garden clematis have similar seeds with these long tassely seeds, but not all of them. They all have, like, some have little versions of it. Yeah, it's a really interesting plant, very nice bright colours, yeah, really interesting seeds as well. And they are a bit toxic. Some people say you can eat them if you prepare them in a certain way, but really probably better not to. The young shoots, like here, squished and applied, are supposed to get rid of blisters. So if you had a blister, I haven't got a blister, but if I did have, I could just apply this young shoot. Apparently that's how it helps. So yeah, kind of interesting. And they grow all the way along here. See, normally these long shoots would like cling on with their leaves. They'd wrap a leaf around just like a clematis does. And so they've got a very long flowering season. Very interesting plant. Often you see them in cities, up walls and up trees and things. They are very common. But you get them a lot in kind of deciduous woodlands where it's well drained, and especially limestone areas. And yeah, very interesting, colourful plant. And you can get, I don't know, 20 feet up into a tree, I suppose. You often get them in woodlands as growing up trees. And very kind of interesting little plant. Old man's beard.